Hello DIYers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you're welcome as well. Today we're going to be making delicious fish roll using yeast and baking powder. If you want a detailed recipe of how I made my fish filling, you can simply check my previous post and I'll drop the link in the description box so that you can always refer to it and make the perfect filling for your fish roll. So first things first, you're going to sieve some flour, going with some sugar, your baking powder, butter, yeast, some salt, and you're going to mix all of that together. Just mix to combine. Then you start to add water in bits. The detailed recipe would be in the description box below so that you can use it to recreate your own fish roll. So this is me just mixing it so that I can form a dough out of it, and you're going to add the water gradually so that you don't end up having watery dough and makes it difficult to work with. So this is just me doing my thing, mixing. Then you're going to transfer it to a working surface, and then you're just going to knead the dough all over again. Then you're going to allow it to sit. You're going to put it in a clean bowl and just cover it so that it can rise. Now, because this recipe is both baking powder and yeast, you wouldn't expect it to rise the way it would be if it was purely yeast. So this is your dough afterwards. You're going to notice that it has risen and it will be very light and fluffy. So you're going to transfer it into back to your working surface. Then you're going to cut it into 6 parts. Then you flatten it, roll it out, and then you put in your fish filling, and then you roll it back again. So you're going to do that for all of the 6 pieces of dough that we've divided. And then to seal the the ends of your fish roll, you just need to mix flour and a little water so that it doesn't open while frying. Then you're going to heat up some oil and you're going to fry until golden brown. Now this delicious recipe is worth trying. It is crunchy on the outside and then perfectly soft on the inside and delicious. This recipe reminds me of fish roll that we always used to get when I was in secondary school, and it was so nostalgic recreating this recipe, and I hope you try it out. This is my go-to fish roll recipe and I have shared it with you, and I hope that you enjoy it like I do. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me and I'll address it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that as well, like our videos, and you can check out for more recipe shares on this channel so that you could explore your cooking prowess. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next post. Bye.